Making yourself comfortable, close your eyes. Begin to take slow, deep, easy breaths. And now turn your attention to your tailbone. Imagine or pretend that there is a root coming down from your tailbone and it's going down into the earth. As this root penetrates deep into the earth quickly and easily, imagine or pretend that you have roots forming from the soles of your feet, and they are also going deep into the ground. These roots travel deeper and deeper into the earth. See them spreading out like the roots of a tree. And now ask for permission to connect to the intelligence of nature. As the intelligence of nature connects to you, you're going to feel warmth coming up through your roots like water through a straw. And you're going to draw that energy up through your roots. As the energy of the intelligence of nature touches your roots, it's going to feel warm. Draw that energy up from the intelligence of nature like water through a straw, drawing it up through your roots, your feet, your legs, your abdomen, your chest, and down into your arms, up into your neck and into your head. Now imagine that the top of your head is opening up like a flower, and the energy from the intelligence of nature is flowing over your body, washing away all of your fear, all of your concerns, and all of your tension. Now turn your attention to the top of your head and imagine that you're looking up towards the heavens at a crystal blue sky. And now ask for permission to connect to spiritual intelligence. You're going to see a beam of white light come down from the heavens, and it's going to touch the top of your head and it's going to feel warm. You're going to draw that energy from the spiritual intelligence down through your head, down into your neck, your shoulders, your arms, your chest, your abdomen, and down through your legs and out through your roots. Now bring your attention to your heart and imagine that you are sitting inside your heart chakra, and you can feel the energy from the intelligence of nature flowing up through your body and over you, and you can feel the energy from spiritual intelligence flowing down through you and down through your roots. Now ask for these two energies to come together in the vertical axis. And as these two energies join together, you're going to feel the divine love of spiritual intelligence and of Mother Nature. Feel that energy of divine love and light filling up your heart. Now imagine that your heart chakra is opening up and that energy from the vertical axis is filling every cell of your being. Imagine that it's filling out your entire aura. Now send that energy of divine love and light out to everyone you love, out into your community, your country, and out into the universe. Take a moment here and feel yourself being fully connected to spiritual intelligence and to the intelligence of nature. Feel how love flows through you from heaven and earth, making you one with the divine, making you one with Mother Nature, and making you one with the all. Feel the love. Be present in the love. And know that you are love and that you are loved. Now silently call in Archangel Michael. Imagine or pretend that he appears before you and you see him smiling at you. As he stands before you, feel him surrounding you with his love and blessings. Now ask Archangel Michael to please cut and clear all static and fear cords with everyone you have been in contact with on this day. Then imagine or pretend he waves his blue sword all over your body and energy field from front to back. As he does so, all the static, fear cords, and negative energy you have encountered throughout the day are removed from your entire aura, front and back. When he is done, he will stand back, continuing to look at Archangel Michael. Now ask him to be with you in the dream time. Dear Archangel Michael, please be with me as I enter into the dream time and guide me to the highest levels of spiritual instruction and direction. I ask that while I sleep, my entire body and aura be surrounded by your healing angels, and that I receive deep, natural healing and rest, so that when I wake in the morning, I am fully rested, restored, renewed, and at peace. Thank you.